Hello my small settlers. Dune is one of my favorite novels, and I would like to add to my channel several figures sculpted by me from scratch based on the Dune novel. So this is how my first figure was made. As always, I'm starting from the main shape of man. Face, body, legs and arm are sculpted one by one. I'm not adding details, just the main shape. When the main shape is ready, I'm sculpting a Freeman suit. After that I'm shaping the sandworm figure. I was thinking it would be the part of diorama in the future with other figures I'm planning to sculpt. Moreover, other figure sculpting videos are coming soon, so if you like what I'm doing, subscribe to the channel and support it with like and comment or sharing the video you liked. When main shape was made, I'm adding textures to the sandworm, like sand and hard skin of the worm. I also shaping long sandworm's teeth and adding more textures around the mouth. I'm adding long sandworm hooks. These hooks allow freemen to control the sandworms to some extent and ride them across the vast deserts of Arrakis. It's a bit thick, but while casting it could be broken otherwise. Probably I'll find another way how to reproduce it. And after everything is ready, it's time to combine all parts and have a final look. Thanks for watching. You know how to support a channel. See you soon.